friends, it's me, Donnie, and I am back today to do an unboxing on these stickers that ARTDOT sent me. And I will link down below where you can get them if you're interested in them. I'm actually not sure what all to expect. I haven't even looked at the instructions, but I think it's a freestyle. I'm not sure because this looks like it actually has places to put them, but I was under the impression it was freestyle. I'd prefer not because I'm really bad at freestyle. I have to have a guide. That's why when I color, I have to have color by numbers. And that's why diamond painting is perfect for me. I like to do cross stitch because it tells you where to put it all, and paint by numbers, that kind of stuff. So let's just hope it's not freestyle. Because even when I do like freestyle diamond paintings, I use patterns because I'm just not very creative when it comes to making patterns. All right, so we've got the box open. Well, I got the wrapper off. Let's get the box open now. I do believe there is a lot in here. And if you use my code, I don't remember what it is, but you get a discount. So make sure you use my code if you do decide to purchase them. Use the link down below and the code that I give you. Okay. So the first thing we pull out is this baggie full of stickers, and it does appear as though there is, yay, they have symbols on them so you know where to put the drills. This looks like a bow or candy. No, that one looks like a bow. This one looks like candy. And a lollipop, light bulb, but they're not in color, so you're gonna be surprised, I guess, as to what it's gonna be. It looks here like, I can't tell if they look round, and the instructions on the back show round drills. So I'm hoping they're square because square will actually hide the black and the white, and you'll be able to see it full color. If it's round, you're gonna see white in the background. I'm not sure what that is. It looks like it might be fire or a leaf and a butterfly, another leaf. That looks like, oh, their fingers, and a donut. Oh, so there is so many in here. A koala maybe? Oh, unicorn. It's hard to see without color. This one looks like a little chick. A rainbow, maybe, because it looks like it's all the same color, unless that is, maybe this is colors that you choose yourself, because I couldn't imagine all of them being the same color. Yeah. But A looks like it might be the outline. So let's just look to see what it says here. The next thing we have is our toolkit, which gives you a tray and wax and a pen with a grip, and they're blue. I've never seen a tray like this before. Oh, that's quite interesting. And you get a blue heart-shaped wax. I wonder what this, oh, it's so you can connect them. That's very interesting. Yeah. I have never seen a tray like that before. I'm easily impressed. And then you get a 3-placer squishy and then the drill pin. Oh, look at this. And you get a lot of drills. That's why it's so big. Oh my gosh, you get a ton of drills. So the only instructions are here. It says to remove the protective film. A is for your dark colors, and B for any color in succession. C is for white, and It looks like kind of a star mandala. It says for any color. I'm not sure what in succession means. I'm confused. Yeah, and then it just says complete and remove back film. Stick to any cup, notebook, fridge, wherever you like it to be. So the only thing it's basically telling you is to put the dark colors on A and the white on C, and B for any color in succession. That doesn't, I don't know what that means. I really don't. I could sit here thinking about it all day, but I don't understand what it means. So that's basically all there is to it. You get 38 stickers, one diamond set, one tray, one pin, one wax. Yeah, it does say it's up to you. Diamond Art Freestyle sticker. I didn't even read the box. What is the color of rainbow? Okay, so let's just look at the colors they give you, and they are round. So, open this bag here. So you're going to want to find some kind of semi-permanent containers to put them in, so that until you're done with all your stickers, so that you can come back and use them, unless you know, bought this particular brand of drills, because I know they do sell drills to keep for backups or freestyle. Then you would combine them. But when you have other companies, their dye lots are different, so you will just want to compare them with the other companies before you mix with another company's drills. But they have some greens here. They have their numbers, which this says 20, 19, 18, 17, but the DMC code would be 955, 912, 910, 699. But it looks like they have them in here basically in color order. So let me try and pull one out at a time without losing everything. So we have this lineup of greens here, and it looks like they give you quite a few drills in each color. And then we've got some yellows here, and peachy colors going into browns, and then we've got some pinks. Really pretty. I love this color of pink right here. You don't see it too much unless you're getting a really bright diamond painting. And then we've got 666, which is, these two reds are really bright and vibrant. So we got those, and then we've got more pinks here going into purple. And I'm sure they have 550. Well, maybe they don't. Oh, my favorite color is not in here. Okay, so then we got going into blues. Let me move this one. Here's our blue colors. Lots of different blues. And then we're going to move into the greenish colors that are kind of blue-green, because we already started with green. And then we've got our black. They give you a lot of black, because you're going to want to use that for your outline. So the A on here, you're going to want to do black mostly. I mean, I don't know if you're going to want to do regular colors, if you're really creative, to put other dark colors in A, but they give you plenty of black to do that, because that's what most people do for their outline color is black. I mean, you get a whole string of black, and then you've got, well, they've only given you one bag of white, so you'll probably want to be more scarce with the white color. because it's telling you to put C as white. And, well, I don't see too many that have C's. Yeah, so it's mostly black, and then, well, this one has some white in it right in the center. But not too many. Like, here's a butterfly, and there's no C's in that. No C's there. Yeah, so there aren't very many C's, so that makes sense why there's only one bag. Then you've got a couple of gray and more pinks. And then you get a red. Well, that's kind of a reddish pink, I guess. So you get a lot of drills, and that's mainly what this, the majority of this kit is your drills, but you get a ton of stickers. So, let's see, should I do one real quick here? Yeah, this one you could do a lot of different colors. I don't want to open up a bunch of bags because I don't have anything to store them in here right here. And I'm trying to think if I have something to, like some baggies, which strangely enough, I don't have any. Yes, I do. Okay, well, how about, I was thinking of doing one then sticking it to this table, but I've already come across the problem with doing something that's raised on here. This sticker right over here, you can kind of see it on the edge. It's a thick, like, cardboard sticker, and when I'm like doing a flat surface diamond painting, it actually gets in the way of diamond painting. So I'm probably not going to put anything like that on here, but I can put them on some of my trays and such. But how about I do the smiley face, and I'll make it a little bit, I don't know, different. So I'm gonna just pull out some black real quick because I'm definitely gonna put that on the outer edges, and I'm just gonna like fast forward through this so that we can, because it's not, I don't have a lot to talk about. So, I'll be honest with you, and it might be a little boring just watching me drill the smiley face. So I will drill it really quick, and then I can show you how it turns out, and we'll see how it looks with the background being white, and then you can make your decision on whether you want to. I think this is actually a really good price. It might even be on sale right now. So if you even want a bunch of drills and something for your kids to just be creative with, I mean, that's probably what I will do, is let my grandkids and Tesslynn go to town on these, because that's my biggest worry when she helps me is, you know, getting crooked or not doing the right color. But she loves to use multi-placers, and I'm always going in there behind her and straightening them all up. So this is actually going to be really good for her to work on. So I will get this all set up here, and I will get to work. All right, I got all my drills set up, and in case you're wondering, I didn't realize when I was going through the colors, but they didn't really have an orange color. They had some brown, and this is the closest I could get to orange. So it's a peach color, but we're going to call it orange. Oop, here we go. We're going to call it orange for this project because I don't have anything else that's close to orange. So here we go. Okay, here I am with my completed smiley face rainbow version. It does look a little odd, but it's my odd. And I did find out, well, I had to tape this down to the table because it was moving around a lot. I did find out that the glue on these it's not the strongest. So if you're going to want to keep the drills in place, you're going to want to use some kind of sealant on it. And, if you don't really care, then don't seal it. But if you want them to last, you're going to want to seal it. This wider edge, thank goodness, is not sticky at all. But I'm just trying to see how easy it is to peel the sticker off. And I guess if you've got nails, it's not too hard. Yeah, there we go. Nope, that's part of the backing. But anyway, there we have it. And I did manage to find some baggies, and I just stored them in there, marked them, so if they ever get separated from the box, which I will probably keep the whole thing, the rest of the stickers and everything in here to keep them together. But yeah, there we go. These are some cute little stickers for a rainy day or for a kid's project. I'm constantly trying to get my daughter to do something this summer other than be on the electronics. And this might be something she's interested in, especially since they're not huge. They're small enough for her to keep her attention. And it leaves for her to use her own imagination as to what colors to put on it and whatnot. So I do wish they had an orange color, because this peach just isn't dark enough for me. It doesn't quite look orange, but I love the pretty, the purple and the pink. Those are really nice and bright. So that kind of makes up for it, but there's more orange than there is for these colors. So maybe I should have went backwards, did the red in the middle, and gone outwards. But there you have it. Like I said, I will link this kit down below, and I will also leave my code so you know what code to use to get a discount on your purchase. And I am an ARTDOT affiliate, so I do make a little bit from anything that you use my links for at no additional cost to you. So I appreciate if you use them, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, please be sure to hit that like button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Have fun diamond painting, and don't forget to always sparkle wherever you go and whatever you do. Take care, everyone. Bye.